Cool. Great. Good start. Why? Okay. Sorry about that. My, it smells like paint thinner, but it's good, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so mix that up with our What Beauty Wonder. And oh yeah, I forgot to take off my McDonald's tag. I just got back from work. I work at McDonald's, if you couldn't tell. That's way too yellow. Alright, this is what we're dealing with today, because I'm not about to take that off. It's going to take a while. Jordan's editing this for me, so you're going to have to cut out a lot of footage of me being dumb and taking too long to do my makeup. But anyways, cool. So I was in the middle of talking to you guys when Jordan decided to call me, so thanks a lot. Anyways, no, my camera decided to stop recording because I had not enough storage anymore, so I had to delete like all. The camera angle just changed mid-sentence. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Cool. No, yeah, I was like, cool, so I deleted a heck ton of apps, and now we're here. Anyway, so I'm using the Wet n Wild. Sorry. Okay, cool. Anyways, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I'm gonna swatch it actually. Okay. It's in the shade Golden Flower Crown. So, anyways, because I like gold highlight. Even though I'm literally white as fuck and I shouldn't be wearing it. I like it. So, that's what we're doing. Oofus!
We are here to inform you that this makeup tutorial has gone terribly wrong. And Emma is terrible at makeup, so. Out. You punch it, and you punch it again, because it won't get out of your freaking Google, and you gotta get it out. And then it finally comes out, and it's a baby.